This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2026 Florida RV SuperShow. Even before the gates open, you can already feel the scale of what's coming together. This is called the greatest RV show on earth for a reason, and this year it's even bigger than ever with an expanded footprint and more to see and do than before. The sheer size of the Florida RV SuperShow is hard to describe until you experience it in person. With more than 1.3 million square feet of exhibit space, it is impossible to see everything in just one day. That's exactly why every entry ticket includes a free second day back to the show. Every major RV manufacturer will be here, showcasing their newest RVs, the latest technologies, and innovative features you won't see anywhere else. All classes of RVs will be on display, from luxury Class A motorhomes and Super Cs to Class B camper vans, Class C motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, pop-ups, park models, teardrops, truck campers, and everything in between. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned RVer, or just starting to explore the lifestyle, you can truly find it all here. In addition to the RVs, there are over 450 vendor booths set up across the fairgrounds. These exhibitors represent every corner of the RV world, from solar and power solutions to camping gear, RV resorts, and services designed to enhance your RV lifestyle. If it exists in the RV world, chances are you'll find it at the Florida RV SuperShow. Education is a huge part of the SuperShow. Educational seminars run every day of the show and cover a wide range of RV-related topics. These sessions are a great way to learn from industry experts and gain confidence in your RV journey. Another highlight of the show is the RV influencer meet and greets. RV fans will have the opportunity to meet some of their favorite RV personalities in person, ask questions, take photos, and hear first-hand stories from people who are living the RV lifestyle every day. Entertainment is happening nonstop throughout the fairgrounds every day of the show. You'll encounter strolling performers, musicians, and entertainers as you explore the displays, creating a fun and energetic atmosphere. Be sure to take advantage of discounts by pre-purchasing your entry and parking tickets online before you arrive. The 2026 Florida RV SuperShow is open January 14th through 18th at the Florida State Fairgrounds. The gates are open Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The parking gates open daily at 7 a.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the SuperShow.